Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the light indicators on the XIAOMI Standing Fan 2 Lite. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app, and then we're going to make sure that the fan has been paired to this app. And then we're going to open up the fan's options or the fan's controls. And then we're gonna press on the top right of our screen on the three dots to open up the settings. And here we have the indicator option. So this basically enables or disables the light on the fan. So you have a couple lights on the fan, and if you want those to not be flashing or you want them fully disabled, you just turn this option off, and the indicators or the lights on the fan will be fully disabled, fully dark. But if you want to enable the indicators back on, you just enable this option like this, and now there will be lights. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.